Checkpoint video 1. What does this have to do?
Okay, welcome to the first checkpoint video for the 4th edition of the Rostock Max V2 manual. This is the new power supply design that CVC&C is currently shipping. And this is what it looks like all wired up. It just finished doing. This is the Rambo power connector. You can see it's got the jumpers across. If yours doesn't look just like that, you need to make it look like that. You don't want to flip the polarity of this or horrible bad things happen. These are the AC power wires, correctly terminated with spade connectors. And this is what it looks like at the end of it. Okay? We've got our line, our neutral, and our ground. And then the ground and the positive, or the negative and the positive for the power supply. And that's all there is to it. That's done. Go ahead and set it aside. We'll be getting to it shortly.
All right. So that's a checkpoint video. Good to know. Like that. And we're back. All right, cool.
Don't stop. Stop. Don't 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 stop. Don't.
Welcome to checkpoint video number 2 for the 4th edition of the Rostock Max V2 building. Here we are just finished with the onyx-seated bed. Thermistor wires, power wires, LED, everything all nice and covered up so you don't have to worry about shorts. Then you'll see periodically during the build I use wax lacing tape, this stuff, to make some of my wire neater. Until next time.
Stop.